Hello there, dear listeners, and welcome back to our channel, where we strive to equip you with the keys to a healthier lifestyle. Today, we're delving into a topic that's at the forefront of many minds: how to effectively and sustainably lose weight. If you're eager to bid farewell to those extra pounds and embrace a healthier you, then you're in the right place. Firstly, it's crucial to remember that losing weight is about more than just a number on the scale. It's about nurturing your body and cultivating healthy habits that will serve you in the long run. Now, without further ado, let's dive into our top tips for successful weight loss. Tip 1. Establish realistic goals and devise a plan. Losing weight is a commitment, a journey that requires determination. Start by seeking advice from healthcare professionals or registered dietitians who can assist you in crafting a personalized plan designed to suit your needs and preferences. Tip 2. Choose your food wisely. Concentrate on integrating whole, nutrient-rich foods into your diet. This includes fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Whenever feasible, opt for homemade meals. They give you control over the ingredients and portion sizes. Tip 3. Keep hydrated. Consuming a sufficient amount of water throughout your day can enhance your metabolism and help you feel fuller for longer. Strive for a minimum of 8 cups of water daily, and limit your intake of sugary drinks. Tip 4. Get moving. Regular physical activity not only assists in burning calories but also enhances your overall fitness and mood. Seek out activities that bring you joy, be it jogging, dancing, swimming, or yoga, and aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise each week. Tip 5. Engage in mindful eating. Slow down and tune into your body's hunger and fullness signals. Evade distractions while eating, like television or your phone, and savor each bite. This practice can avert overeating and foster a healthier relationship with food. Tip 6. Ensure adequate sleep. A good night's sleep is pivotal for weight management. Sleep deprivation can disrupt your hormones, leading to increased hunger and cravings. Strive for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Tip 7. Keep stress in check. Chronic stress can lead to weight gain, making it crucial to find healthy coping mechanisms. Consider meditation, deep breathing exercises, or hobbies that help you unwind and relax. Remember, the journey to weight loss demands patience. Concentrate on making sustainable lifestyle changes rather than seeking quick fixes. By adhering to these tips, you'll not just shed those extra pounds, but also enhance your overall health and well-being. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insightful content. Until next time.